Hey everybody, so in the Schoology course that you're taking on our West Perry Schoology account, you are learning how to pull resources from your Google files, you're learning how to pull resources from your desktop, you're learning how to pull in resources from websites. But one thing they didn't show you how to do was how to pull a resource from our group resources that we created back in the spring with our departments. So there's actually two ways to do that. I'm going to share my screen and show you the two different ways in order to get something from our group resources into our course. So I'm going to go ahead to the Sandbox group that I've created, or the Sandbox course, actually, to do that. So you can see here, if I'm in my course, I'm going to go ahead to my practice class here. And the first way you can do that is to just go ahead to add materials. And down at the bottom, you're going to see import from resources. We click on that, you're going to get a screen that doesn't probably have anything on it. And the way to get there is, if right now you're looking in your personal resources, we want to go to our group resources, which is where we saved all of our documents. I'll go in here to 6th grade ELA. I'm going to pull out a resource. Let's say we want chapter 1. We check the checkbox there, click import. It'll ask you again. And now if you look to the bottom of your course, you'll see that that resource is right there for us. Now, the second way to do that is actually to go right to our groups. So we can start off in our groups. I'll go to my department group. And from here, we can click on resources, which is where everything is housed from the spring. And we'll go ahead and click on the document that we want here. So I'm just going to go ahead and click through. We'll click that same document. I put the check mark. And then I come over here and you'll see add to course. And from here, I can click which courses I want to add to. So I can actually add it to 2 different courses at the same time if I'd like. Add, and now that resource is listed right there into my class for me. So if I go back to my class, back to my course, again, you'll see it down at the bottom. And it's actually there twice, because I imported it both ways. So that's how you can take things from that group resources that we did in the spring, where we put all our documents together, and pull them into the course that you're creating in Schoology. If you have any questions as you're working through this, please let me know and I'll be glad to help you out.